Hello everyone. First of all, everyone, Eid Mubarak. So, do you guys remember this painting of mine where I asked the question, who is this famous person? A lot of viewers replied Imran Khan, though it's not the one. But one of the viewers sent me an image which actually exactly looks like Imran Khan when you flip the image. So when I looked at it, the pose looks very similar. So I decided, why not sketch it? But then you guys must be wondering, why in the month of Ramadan? So this is a subtle reminder for all of you guys that Eid is coming. So do you guys remember what you all have to do? Who have missed it out, listen to it once again.
नौजवानों मेरी बात सुन ले कभी भी कोई आपको आजादी लेके नहीं देता कौम अपनी आजादी खुद जद्दोजहद से देती है
So this is for all those who are desperately waiting for Eid Day. This is a subtle reminder for you guys. You know what to do now. So I decided, why not I sketch as my way of saying Eid Mubarak to everyone, and I started making the face. Well, the actual look of the face comes out only when you start adding details through shading. So let's see. I hope it gives. When you're doing quick sketching, you do not have to give details. I'm not giving details, I'm just giving a look of the face. When you are doing on a larger scale, then only you need to bring in lots of details, lots of wrinkles, and every scar on the face, every line on the face. But when it comes to quick sketches, you have to just concentrate on lights and darks and bring out features so that the face looks familiar to the person you are making of. So I'm just gonna give a bit of shades to the hair and get the face complete. When I am sketching this, I will just give a quick sketch for the body. In order to watch the video where you want to see the detailed shading of the cloth drapery, I would say, then go to my next video. Thanks a lot for bearing up with my voice. I know lots of in order to go to my sherbet color mixing video, you can check out my previous Ramazan video. So I am now just giving line contouring to the drapery. As what I'm making is a quick sketch, so I haven't exactly calculated, but somehow I have figured out that it has to be 2 point something around for the upper for the torso, and the rest is for the legs. Although because it's a very quick sketch, I think in the end the entire feet doesn't come in, but that's okay. Even if your drawing gets cropped, it's better than having the wrong proportion on the paper. So I am almost finishing it off. When it comes to hands, I am just going to say that you have to trust your gut feelings. The fingers looks very funny without the shading. Mine is already, it looks clumsy, but you need to understand and trust what you're drawing. The complete look comes in shading. So once again, if you want to watch how the hand turns out to be, you have to check out my next video. I am gonna post it soon. So I am almost done with my drawing. I'm gonna quickly complete it with only line contouring, and we are almost done, as we are almost done with Ramazan. So all of you enjoy your Eid and Eid holidays. Spend it with your family and your friends. Have fun. So to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel Manvi Tapes and watch more videos. Thank you.